In this lecture, we are going to revise our next unit, and that is Unit 3, Plants and their parts. We already know that plants are living things, and living things are those which can breathe, which can eat, and which can move. They also reproduce their young ones, and also they produce their exact copy of their young ones. Okay, so plants are of many different shapes and sizes, and plants grow in soil and in water also. And each part of a plant has a name, and there are many kinds of fruits and vegetables, and fruits have seeds, and baby plants grow from seeds, and seeds need sunlight, good soil, air, and water to grow into a plant. Now come towards the question answers of this unit. Question number 1 is name different types of plants. So in this question we are going to discuss the types of plants, different characters of different types of plants. Okay, so the answer is plants are of following types. You have to write the statement, then the answer would be herbs. So what are herbs? Herbs are small plants with tender green stem. They are often aromatic, and the leaves can be used to give flavor to the food. Number 2 is shrubs. So shrubs are small plants with woody stem. They are usually of medium height, and most of the shrubs are ornamental or flowering plants. Number 3 are creepers. So, creepers are those plants with weak stem, and they grow along or close to the ground because of their heavy fruit. Look at these pictures, you can see different creepers. They are creeping on the ground, and the fruits are very much heavy. So, there is not possible for the plant to carry these heavy fruit, and that's why they grow along the ground. Examples you can see the watermelon, pumpkin, muskmelon. Okay, so these are some of the examples of creepers. The next is climbers. So climbers are the plants which climb up the other plants or different surfaces. They often climb on the wall. Okay, they take support of the wall or other plants, just like big trees or other plants, and they climb up and cover the whole surface. Okay, the examples are, look at the example. This is money plant, and that is bougainvillea. Okay, so these are the examples of climbers. Next is trees. Okay, so what are trees? Trees are the largest plants. They usually have a single woody stem called trunk. Okay, some of the trees are thousands of years old. Each year the tree grows a new ring inside the trunk, and we can tell the age by counting these rings. Okay, so these are the 5 types of plants: herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, and trees. Our next question is, how many parts does a plant have? Name them. The answer is, plants have 4 main parts. Okay, let's find out what do these parts do and what are they called. Okay, number 1 is roots. So what are roots? Roots take in water for the plant from the soil. Okay, roots work like straw and suck up all the water present in the soil, and they also help to hold the plant firmly in the ground. The next is stem. Stem are the stalks that move water and food through the plant to the leaves and flowers. Okay, so these are the supportive in function. Stem are supportive, also supportive in function, and it transport water and food to the leaves and flower. Okay, and stem also support the parts of a plant. The next is leaves. Okay, what is the function of leaves? Leaves make food for the plant. Leaves also make a gas called oxygen, which we need to breathe in from the air to keep us alive. Okay, so plants also give us oxygen, and this oxygen is made in the leaves of a plant. Also, the leaves are responsible for making food for the plant. The fourth part is flower. Flowers are the parts of some plants that become fruits and seeds. Okay, when the petals fall, the fruit grows from the flower. These grow into a new plant. Okay, when the fruit grows, okay, it contains seed, and the seed also grow from a new plant of the same type. Okay, so these are the four main parts of the plant: roots, stem, leaves, and flower. Next question number 3 is, what are climbers? So the climbers are those plants which climb up the other plants or surfaces. Okay, they need support to grow because of its tender and weak stem, and it grows along the other surfaces or other plants. Question number 4 is, which part of a plant tells us the age of a tree? Answer, the trunk tells us the age of a tree. As we know that some trees are thousands of years old, so each year the tree grows a new ring inside the trunk, and we can tell the age of these trees by counting these rings. Question number 5, which important gas is made by the plant? So the answer is, oxygen is made by the plants. As I told you before, that leaves are responsible for making food, and also it makes oxygen, which is necessary and important gas for all of the living things. The next question is, which type of plant is used to give flavor to the fruit? Give examples. The answer is, herbs are used to give flavor to the food. Okay, so herbs are small size plants, and they are used to give flavor to the food. There are different types of herbs. For examples, you can write any 3 examples. Okay, so examples are mint, dill, coriander, thyme, oregano, basil. So parsley, okay, arugula and celery also are the types of herbs, and these herbs are used to give flavor to the food because of their aromatic and flavor taste. Okay, so these are the herbs are all often aromatic, and the leaves can be used to give flavor to the food, and it is also used in different kinds of medicines and flavoring things. Okay, these are our 6 question answers. So our homework is revise question answers and book exercises of unit 3. So you have to learn the question answers and revise them, and you have to practice these question answers in your rough copies. Plus we also have the diagram of parts of a plant and parts of papaya. So do a practice of those diagrams also.